All right, so this is a full, pretty much traveling with the Conscendo and showing how to put it together. So as you can see right here, transporting it in the vehicle. You don't need a lot of room. You know, he has it right here in the front seat, Doog E Doo. He's pulling it out right now. Just be careful with it. And just find a nice place on the ground wherever you're flying. It's fuselage there with the wings. There is a carbon fiber rod for support. This is, I believe it just has one rod. Yeah, one rod for the wings that goes across. Slide that in there. How the wing goes together right there. Your servo connectors right there. Top part here just snaps in there. So now the wing has been assembled. So what you want to do is come from behind on the airplane and putting the wing on makes it much more easier to line everything up. So right now is connecting the servo connectors for the ailerons on the wing. Fairly simple, fairly easy. Just regular connectors there, and you just want to make sure all that stuff is put down in there, folded down there nicely so none of it's sticking out. Right there you have a nice flush seal, so you know no wires are sticking out. And then you have 4 individual screws. Now for these screws here, they are just going to be pretty much screwed into the top, and that's will secure that wing from flying off. And it definitely needs, what do you need for the prop? So here we have the prop. So you don't transport it with the prop on. Definitely want to transport it with the prop off, just to keep it safe. So there's the 2 front screws there. You want to just screw it so they're tight, don't overdo it, you know, don't want to strip them out, just make sure so it's snug. There we go. Putting the propeller on. And again on this, make sure it's tight but not super tight. You don't want to smash down or end up breaking the plastic of the propeller. It could end up probably catastrophic failure in the air. There's the canopy. Where you're going to put your LiPo. For the most part, these take pretty much a 2200, a 3S, which is kind of a standard right there. E-Flight 3S, there we go. Good. Standard LiPo, you get at many hobby places. Notice a lot of these airplanes do use this standardized LiPo size, 3S, 2200 mAh. Secure it down there just to prevent it from moving around on you. Your regular EC3 connectors, which are fairly standard too for E-Flight aircraft. So what he did first there, he went to check to make sure his radio was on first, of course. Always make sure your radio is on before you turn it on. So now he's going to do his old classic, probably checking his crap.
Starting with safe.
Starting with safe, so he's going to make sure everything's working properly.
There it is.
You can tell it's working properly when he goes back and forth. It's compensating. If he goes to the right, it should try to take it to the left.
So if I go up like this, if my ailerons go straight, when I take it off, that's safe off, safe on. So we're good to go.
And he's using the DXE controller.
Set my timer for 12 minutes.
Sets the timer for 12 minutes. This aircraft can definitely stay in the air for quite some time. There you go. And it's off. And if you guys want to see the video of it flying, just check out the other video in the link here. And that's pretty much transporting it and flying it. Nice flight with it. So now this is the teardown. Have any questions, comments? Thanks for watching.